Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So here is another interesting question in which it's given that O is the center of the circle, SP and TP are two tangents at the point S and T respectively. Now angle SPT is given 50 degree. Then we have to find out the value of angle SQT. So let's see how to solve this question. So this is the given figure. Now SP and TP are tangent to the circle at point S and T. This is radius, this is tangent. So this angle will be 90 degree because radius is perpendicular to tangent. Similarly, this angle will be 90 degree. So we have angle OSP is equal to angle OTP is equal to 90 degree. Now we also note that angles in quadrilateral add up to 360 degree. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle will be 360 degree. Now angle S plus angle T are of 90 degree. So angle SOT plus angle SPT will be of 180 degree. So we will write it angle SPT plus angle SOT is equal to 180 degree. Now angle SPT is given 50 degree in the question. So on substituting the value we will get 50 plus angle SOT is equal to 180 degree, which will give angle SOT is equal to 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. So this angle is 130 degree. Now let's draw the figure again. Now we will find out reflex angle SOT. Now this is the angle which we have to find out. This we know is of 130 degree. So this angle will be 360 minus 130 degree. So reflex angle SOT will be 230 degree. So SQT will be half of reflex angle SOT, that is this angle will be half of this angle by circle theorem. So on substituting the value we will get angle SQT is equal to half of 230 degree, that is angle SQT is equal to 115 degree. So this was asked in the question. I hope this was very easy to understand. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such questions. Thanks for watching.